Disposable sanitary pads or menstrual pads. Disposable pad is made of absorbent material that adheres to underwear and you can wear them during menstruation without any difficulty. There is an adhesive strip placed at the bottom of pads and it could easily be stuck to your underwear and removed when ready to be discarded. Pads are available in many different sizes and levels of absorbency to align with how heavy and light your flow is during your period. You may opt for maxi pads for heavy days and mini pads for light days. You may also find pads with wings, the material on the sides that folds over the edges of underwear to provide extra protection. With the many different sizes and absorbency options available, it may take some time to find the right pad for you. You should use a pad that's both comfortable and provides reliable protection. Disposable pads are more convenient to keep in the bag for on the go emergencies. Some women prefer wearing a pad all the time as it keeps them fresh. This is a wrong notion. Do not wear a pad when you are not menstruating. Your vagina needs to breathe. Unnecessary wearing of pads will lead to bacteria growth. Stick to cotton underwear for your regular use as it is lets your intimate part breathe. To avoid rashes, skin infection or odor, it's vital that you change the pad every 4 to 6 hours. Even if your pad has not been completely wet, change it anyway. Do not forget to thoroughly wash your hands before and after changing the pad. It's important to stay hygienic. Advantages of sanitary pads. Using disposable pads is quicker and easier. The reason most women and girls still use disposable pads and not reusable ones is because of the convenience factor. Pads are external, so all you have to do is stick it onto your underwear. Done. Once you buy a pack, use the pad and throw it away. That's it. Whereas a reusable pad needs a bit more care. Disposable pads are more comfortable. They feel soft, dry. They come in lots of options to accommodate changes in your flow and activities. Most women tend to find it more comfortable to use pads for years, making their use and disposal much easier. Better hygiene. It's easier to change a pad, but the rapid flow needs frequent changes. In such situations, a sanitary pad is preferable in a heavy menstrual flow. Sanitary pads are easily available. Disposable pads can be purchased as and when you need them each and every month. Sanitary pads are available in practically every pharmacy shop, retailer, and even supermarket store. Sanitary pads are leak proof, making women free of worry of stains on clothes. You can wear them overnight. Convenience. Sanitary pads come in a variety of styles, sizes, and absorption levels, so you can choose any of them which suits you the best and can change anywhere there is a washroom. No worry for cleaning and disposal. Because they are thrown away as soon as they are soiled, disposable pads carry less risk of being misused. Moreover, there is no need to clean up and dry them on a regular basis. The process of cleaning and drying cloth becomes more hectic if you are a working lady and get no time for such things. Cheaper and best for on the go emergencies. Sanitary pads are easily accessible and portable, and also they are not very expensive. Disadvantages. Sanitary pads can indeed work wonders in a woman's life. However, along with their benefits, certain sanitary pads can cause undesirable side effects and are detrimental to your health. Disposable sanitary pads are made of potentially harmful chemicals such as plastics, chlorine, synthetic chemicals, artificial fragrances, and pesticide residue, which produce allergic reactions, hormone disruption, pelvic inflammatory disease, reproductive disorders. They are whitened with chlorine bleach, and the upper layer is designed to make women feel dry, which produces a toxic byproduct called dioxin. To prevent the smell of menstrual blood, sanitary napkins are equipped with deodorants and fragrances which can cause infertility. Though they are convenient to use, they can be toxic. Over time, they may even lead to major illnesses like cancer. Fear of leakage. Pads aren't for everybody. Some pads are thinner and shorter, cause leaks. Since they are worn outside our body, people often complain about a wet feeling and the stress of constantly checking for leaks. Hygiene. Pads can cause foul smell and bacterial growth if used for a long time. No matter the volume of your flow, you should change your pads at least every 4 to 6 hours to avoid odor from bacteria growth. Most women using disposables avoid changing pads frequently for multiple reasons, including the cost of pads, no place to change, and no place to dispose of the used pads. Many women who use one pad for a day. When you wear a pad for a long time, it causes rashes, pain, and a block in airflow to your vaginal area, which increases the risk of bacterial infection and skin illnesses. Difficult disposal and fear of infection. Sanitary napkins are usually made of non biodegradable materials and toxic chemicals, so disposing them is a task. With no knowledge of how to dispose of disposable sanitary napkins, most women just throw them in the garbage bin, which usually gets mixed up with dry, wet, and hazardous waste. In rural areas, they are often disposed of in ponds, rivers. What happens to our pads when we throw them away? Where do they go? Improper disposal of sanitary napkins can lead to blockage of drains and serious consequences. These pads are picked up by rag pickers with their bare hands that exposes them to infections. Most of the sanitary napkins are flushed down the toilet. We remain unaware that pads, when flushed, can bloat and absorb all the water in a drain pipe till the system gets blocked. High cost. Disposable pads are easy to use and may seem cheaper, but they are definitely more expensive in the long run because one has to buy them again and again. The cost of period products is a huge issue for women and girls around the world. Environmental impact. Disposable pads take around 500 to 800 years to biodegrade due to its plastic content. They are not ideal for the environment as they are single use items that you throw away after a few hours' use. They contaminate our environment, spreading germs and infectious diseases. It's not advised to swim using a sanitary pad. Because they are designed to absorb moisture, they absorb pool water, and swimming while wearing one will make you feel as if you are wearing a diaper. The adhesion used to hold the pad in place can also loosen when wet, causing it to come off while swimming. They are also quite noticeable when worn with a swimsuit. Moreover, it's unhygienic as blood will contaminate the pool water. Best option would be either to wear a tampon, cup, or avoid swimming during menstruation. Even though pads are thinner than ever, they are more likely to be visible under certain types of clothing. It's always recommended that choose sanitary pads that are breathable, securely packaged, and made of high quality materials. Always try to choose a product that you find comfortable and that's right for your flow. You may get sanitary pads that are super absorbent, soft, and extra long, allowing you to say goodbye to all of your period problems. Consider your comfort, budget, convenience, and any other variables that matter to you when choosing your products. Try out different options to find what works best. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.